everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your payout account. If you have been invited to turn on professional mode and you've also received the invitation to join the Facebook Reels program, you are going to come here to businessfacebook.com /creator studio /home, and what you are going to see over here in the top right is your personal profile picture from Facebook, which is now your professional mode. And to set up the payout, you are going to come down and monetization. Once you enter this bonuses page, you are going to see the bonuses that you have signed up for. Once you open monetization, the next thing you want to do is come down to where it says payout settings. And here is where you will enter your bank information. You will download an editable copy of a W9 form and then upload that document with this. And you will also complete your payout account information. This is my business info. So this is just that simple to set up your payout account for your Facebook Reels program once you've turned on professional mode. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.